there's tax dodgers. You've got £1 billion that should be spent on schools, on hospitals, on social services, and to stop the blight of food banks in this country. Instead, the CEO of Boots, squirreled away in Monaco, is sitting on a bigger and bigger pile of our cash. They need to pay it back. Stop your tax dodging. Pay your tax. Boots the chemist, pay your tax. We don't want austerity. We want people to pay their tax. £1 billion of Boots profits goes to Switzerland and private profit. The CEO of Boots lives in Monaco where he pays hardly any tax. We think of Boots as a British company that pays very little British tax. It should pay its fair share of schools, roads, hospitals and public services. Boots the chemist, pay your tax in this country.